Okay, so this exercise we're going to be doing a top view of this multi-shape. So this shape actually I'm going to put the centre around my axis here, so I'm going to sort of use this as my centre point. So I'm not going to use any X lines for the time being. What first thing I'm going to do is put in a circle, 0, 0, and I put that in the 120. That gives me my reference point to sort of work off. Now I can put my X lines in, okay, running from the centre, latching on to X and Y using the shift button. Okay, and I'm just going to do one quadrant, so looking at one quad, so I'm going to offset here 50. And I'm going to offset another 70. Like so. And then what I've just realised is actually that's radius. I'm going to change that, right click properties, and change the diameter 120 diameter. That's more like it. Okay, then I'm going to run up from the bottom, 30. $50, and then 20, and this guy's 20 as well, like so. So there's my first part. I'm going to come in and I'm going to do a start, end, direction, angles. Going to start point's going to be here, end point's going to be there, tangentially across the perpendicular line. Click. I'm going to draw a line out to the next one, come down to my next section, and again, start, end, direction. So if you ever get the line, oh, it's on around, just literally escape, space to reload, pop it the other way, and it'll fit in for you. So start, end, directions, you just got to make sure the direction's the right way, like that. That's that first little sort of nugging section out, and then we're going to half this as well. So 130 divided by 2 gives us there, and then we got 15 for the centre, 15 for the outer section there. So now I'm going to do is draw from my base like that, use the fillet tool, it's 10 on the rads, escape, space to reload. That's that section there done. Now I can mirror that section now. So I'm going to select all these guys, do a mirror, set my 0 point, I'm going to now spin it around to my 0 point, like so. Raise original source, no. I'm going to mirror the whole lot again. Point to point, no. Change my circle to a drawing. And then we have it. There's our quick way of doing a very complex shape very, very quickly. So again, remember to save, and that's how you make that part nice and straightforward.